Traditional marketing is all about casting a big net. Reach as many people as possible, and a certain percentage of those people will become viable leads. The problem with this approach is, you may be doing lots of work with only a small payoff. According to Salesforce, only 13% of B2B leads turn into opportunities when using traditional marketing strategies. Even worse, only 6% of those turn into actual sales. So how can you work smarter, not harder? That's where an account-based marketing approach could come in handy. Account-based marketing, also referred to as ABM, flips traditional marketing strategies on its head. Instead of casting a wide net, ABM has you target specific companies. With ABM, you create tailor-made content and communications to attract a specific particular business. All your marketing efforts become fully customized for one particular client. Instead of writing a blog post entitled 5 Benefits of Email Marketing, you'd create the same piece of content and title it How X Business Can Improve Their Email Marketing with Your Company. This guarantees that any leads you pursue are viable and hot. So, will ABM work for you? Here are 2 things to keep in mind before making the leap. Number 1, ABM works best for business-to-business marketing. Creating personalized experiences for every individual consumer is next to impossible, so keep your efforts focused on attracting specific companies instead. Number 2, don't just create empty sales pitches with a company's name on it. The goal is still about building relationships. If you nurture the right way, that transforms into valuable customer loyalty. After all, 60% of loyal customers state that they purchase more frequently from preferred companies. Changing from traditional marketing to account-based marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Work smarter, not harder, by creating personalized experiences for your target audience. Learn more about implementing ABM by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos helping you understand the language of the marketing industry.